What's going on YouTube? Geosnoid here. It's a sad day in the jailbreak community. Back in 2019, AxiomX released this, an epic jailbreak exploit called Checkmate, which enabled us to make jailbreaks for all iOS versions up to iOS 18.5 in the form of iPadOS 18.5. Now, this only supported a couple of devices, so pre-A12, like the iPhone 10, iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and so on, but it is what powered the Pelrain and the Checkmate jailbreaks. Many of you probably know them. Well, today is a sad day because this exploit has finally come to an end. With the release of iPadOS 26 Developer Beta 1, Apple has officially dropped support for the last device that was supporting that exploit, and that was the iPad 7 generation. Now, if you go here on the compatible devices for iPadOS 26, you can see that it starts from iPad 8 generation. It doesn't support iPad 7 generation, and unfortunately, the iPad 8 generation is an A12 device, which means that it's not compatible, sadly, with the Checkmate exploit. So this marks the end of the Checkmate jailbreaks, because there are no longer devices that receive any new iOS version that are still compatible with Checkmate. It's been a long run, like 5 years. At this point, we have AxiomX to thank for Pelrain and Checkmate and Turdus Merilla and many other tools that were built on top of Checkmate. Now, if you want to learn more about how this exploit worked, because it's an impressive state-of-the-art exploit that could not be patched by Apple without dropping the devices affected by it. If you want to learn more, there's an article here on my website called Checkmate Exploit Explained, and here you can learn everything about how it works, the code behind it, what it does, and so on. This is a genius exploit, and it sparked a lot of jailbreaks and tools in the community. So yes, rest in peace Checkmate. It was a great exploit. This was of course open source, so if you want to take a look or build tools with it for legacy devices, you can still do that. But with this exploit gone, we're probably going to see very few jailbreak releases, because now we're only going to see releases for newer devices and of course based on kernel exploits and stuff like that, just like we did before Checkmate was around. So no more Pelrain updates, no more Checkmate, and no more tools based on it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Check out Flexstore down below. They provide you all the available jailbreaks in IPA format without a computer, like Uncover, Dopamine, and so on. If you're looking for tools like Misaka, Trollbox, or PurePKG, Cowabunga, definitely check it out. They sign it with their own certificate, so you don't have to. Thank you for watching. I'm Geosnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.